1, 2, 3. Instagram! Yes!
Hi, my name is Tanisha Duncan, but my clients like to call me the Olivia Pope of branding because I'm the fixer. I take boring businesses and turn them into blazing hot brands. I work with salons, spas, restaurants, hotels, and personal brands to help them create the ultimate experience for their customers and create brand loyalty with their tribe. I'd love to teach people not only how to be the best version of themselves, but how to convey their value so that people listen. Because you see, when people feel appreciated and valued, they do more good for others. The reality is, running a business is hard work, and teaching others how to execute your vision can be even harder. We all have an amazing gift. We are all an expert at something, but just because you know how to do your skill well doesn't make you an expert at selling yourself or your business online. That's what I do inside my workshops. I will teach you how to be an expert at selling yourself online. What makes me different from other strategists is that I try to give people the things I felt like I was missing, the stuff no one really teaches in a school or university, but I take real life situations with best business strategies so you and your team can win. I've often been told that everyone in the room walked away with valuable nuggets regardless of what stage they are in their business. And if I'm able to do that, then I have done my job. So if you want to enhance your workplace culture while growing your presence online, I'd love to teach you how to do that at an upcoming workshop tailored just for you.